keep saying this quote again and again. Like this one quote by Osho, where he says that, like, what is love? Love is the ultimate state of freedom. Which means when you say that it's the ultimate state of freedom, how can any conditions be there?
Yeah, then
right?
it's not freedom.
So if there are conditions in love, it's not love. Then you're just fooling yourself and your partner thinking that it's love, but it's not. It's something else, something a little more corrupted than love. You know? तो अक्षय सर कहते हैं हाँ रे नहीं मैंने वो नहीं देखा हाँ but I saw your performance that I really I saw your performance in Kapil Sharma show. That was like, what? And we just laughed out loud because that is something that even people who have not seen the work, they've seen that.
Yeah.
So I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that at all. भूल चुक माफ में this is boat का scene जहाँ पे राजकुमार राव रंजन का कैरेक्टर कुछ ऐसे बात कर रहा है कि रंजन तिवारी नाम है मेरा हम ये कर देंगे और I'm like just like when you know the character and just comes automatic. तो उस वक्त जब मैंने काम किया understood कि wow this is such nice people to work with and the kind of films that I did there was so much different than what I saw on TV as South Indian films का remake or what I saw people making fun of, you know. When I actually worked with them, I understood how passionate they are. And I was like, they are making great films and they're telling great stories. I want to work with them. So for me, it's been that journey where my understanding of South film industry has changed.
Yeah.
You know, with those first few films. For me, it was never like कि अरे आजकल South Indian films and films चल रही हैं तो let me also start working in South films.
Yeah.
But जय मैम के साथ सब खत्म हो गया. What a beautiful experience I've had. This was my first time meeting her, like working with her.
Yeah.
She's such a fun person to work with. I mean, her smile. I remember the last day. I told her, your smile is like a child. Your laughter is like a child. And I love that. And then I started kind of loving myself now.
Right.
And that's how I've just become like more confident about what I'm doing. And also, no, I don't think anybody can really intimidate me. If somebody intimidates me, I think I'll just lose respect for them.
Yeah.
For me, it's become that. Somebody makes me feel good.
Yeah.
For me, the respect for that person like just increases. That wow, like this is how you make people feel around you.
Hello everyone, this is Hesha Chima and you all are tuned on Varinder Chawla's page. Joining me here for a conversation today is a girl who I absolutely have fallen in love with because of her comic timing. Well, seriousness तो हम उनकी जानते ही थे और खूबसूरती से हम वैसे भी उनकी प्यार करते हैं. But when you can make somebody laugh, I feel that's a very tough thing to do. So joining me here today for a conversation is Vamika Gabi. Hi!
Thank you. Hi.
Thank you for making me laugh. I think we were just talking about the fact कि भाई ज़रूरत होती है. We are in those times where we need a light-hearted film, a light-hearted character.
Yeah.
जी हाँ.
And the whole family to go and watch a film in theaters. That I think that was the motive, and I'm so glad that people are loving the film so much and they're enjoying it together. So धन्य हो गए.
Yeah, because like हाँ हो गया अभी सब कुछ कर लिया. But as I said, even introduction में comedy is a very tough genre, right?
Very tough. Yeah.
Like आपको funny लग रहा होगा उस moment पे, but if it does not go there in like reality, you're like खत्म.
Exactly. मतलब दोस्तों के बीच में आपका joke नहीं land करना is a different thing. Your joke not landing in a film in front of so many like इतनी सारी audience. Yeah, that really makes a difference. I think I was very nervous, very skeptical if I'll be able to do comedy. Yeah. But yeah, I think I can.
You killed
If I made you laugh.
Yeah, no, listen, ऐसा नहीं है, but like you really pulled it off. Like there were certain scenes where I'm like, oh my god, this is all of us. And I like the fact कि तितली was such a nonchalant girl. मतलब वो sharp भी है, उसे पता भी है, वो help भी कर रही है प्यार में, but at the same time she's like, मेरा तो ऐसा ही है, भाई तुम देख लो.
I know these kind of girls.
Yeah.
मतलब I understand. She's not just your happy, bubbly girl. Like, I'll tell you, like, this character that I've played in Grehen called Manu.
Yeah.
She's also happy, but the vibe was very different.
Yeah.
Her personality is nothing like Titli.
Yeah.
Or even if you talk about Nilofer. Nilofer is such a vibrant character and, you know, itne nakhre, but uske nakhre alag the.
हाँ.
But Titli, this is what I got from her. The kind of problems that she has in her life, they are so like personal. They are so like कि शादी करनी है, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? She'll do everything just for that. तो मुझे ना मतलब वो इतनी अलग है. I felt कि this is how she should be portrayed, and I know these girls. I have cousins, you know, who this is how they live life.
Yeah.
You know? मतलब मैं बहुत ऐसे हम बहुत ऐसे सीरियस हो जाते हैं अपनी लाइफ में हो जाते हैं कि ये करना है, वो करना है, goals and achievements.
Yeah.
They have different kind of goals and achievements, and I really admired that about Titli.
लहंगा आना चाहिए, मेहंदी पूरी लग जाए मेरी, और मतलब
शादी वाले दिन ही पूरी पेमेंट करूंगी लहंगे
हाँ सब कुछ. You know, also one thing that really stayed with me, क्योंकि हम शायद ऐसे जमाने में जब लव बहुत ट्रांजैक्शनल हो गया, but your character तितली एंड राज इज लव लाइफ. मतलब राज होपलेस है उस मूवी में काफी टाइम तक, मतलब उसे कुछ हो ही नहीं पा रहा है. एंड देन
in all aspects.
In all aspects. And then I see you, like वो अपने गहने बेच देती है, मम्मी के गहने बेच देती है to make sure that, you know, everything falls in place. That's somewhere unconditional.
She is courageous.
हाँ, yeah, she is gutsy. but ये होता है, हम करते हैं प्यार में, अंधी लड़कियां ये सब कर लेती
और वो है वो she is that pampered kid in her house.
Yeah.
Who is like, जिसको सबसे प्यार मिलता है तो वो वहाँ सबके बीच में खड़ी होके बहस कर सकती है जीजा जी. And that papa was so, like, you know how they say papa ki pari. So I wanted her to be that papa ki pari. I wanted her to be that person who कि और कुछ नहीं तो बस पापा को बोल दो and papa will understand, you know.
And he'll make it happen.
है वो ऐसे ही.
But listen, you made me feel that आप कहीं ना कहीं वैसे ही हो. Like you made me feel like Vamika is like Titli, but I don't know. Are you like that?
No, I'm not. Even during the promotions, I wanted to keep that essence of Titli in my promotions.
Yeah.
Because I wanted the audience to like when they look at the interviews also, they should get that essence there, because we're talking about Titli and Ranjan and the story.
Yeah.
And as an actor, pata nahi, I feel like when I was promoting it, you know, you just go back to those times where because you've already played her now, so you know her.
Yeah.
तो automatically आ जाता है. Obviously, I'm not like Titli. I don't call my papa like that. My father won't take that.
He'll be like, no chance, don't do this with me,
He'll just look
Vamika.
at me like, don't do this drama and all.
Okay, but how are you in love then? Like, are you somebody who's close to Titli, unconditional love ki feelings hai aap maybe, or you're also like, you know, I'm a practical girl in today's day and age.
Love has to be unconditional. How can love be conditional? I keep saying this quote again and again. Like this one quote by Osho, where he says that, like, what is love? Love is the ultimate state of freedom. Which means when you say that it's the ultimate state of freedom, how can any conditions be there?
Yeah, then it's not freedom.
So if there are conditions in love, it's not love. Then you're just fooling yourself and your partner thinking that it's love, but it's not. It's something else, something a little more corrupted than love. You know?
Okay. I don't know if you know this, but because I come from the other side of your field, I know that what kind of love Vamika gets even from the beauty aspect of it. अब मैं बताती हूँ कैसे. आँखें, your eyes are something that I feel after Aishwarya Rai, if there's somebody who's gotten so much love, like we all are zooming into the pictures, like Vamika's eye makeup, the way Vamika's dressing, Vamika's appearances, like you've gotten that kind of love, right?
I know, and you won't believe it. बचपन में ना they used to call me ऐश्वर्या.
हाँ, आप लगते हो ऐसे young.
And मैं बहुत ऐसे feeling में लेती थी, लेकिन धीरे धीरे I think I left that feeling, because when you come to Bombay and when you see that almost every girl is like Aishwarya Rai, every girl is Deepika Padukone, every girl is Katrina Kaif, they're like beautiful girls who are, you know, and talented girls. तो वो आपके अंदर से वो निकल जाता है. So for me it was so overwhelming that now suddenly people are saying that about me. Like nobody has an idea what that made me feel. Like how it just got me reconnected to my childhood, where I used to take it बहुत ऐसे कि मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है इसमें. My mother's eyes are green and my nanny's eyes are green. But I used to be very like लेकिन पिछले कुछ सालों में I had forgotten this about myself, because you know. But yeah, like how the media and the admirers जिन्होंने मेरा काम देखा है, it was overwhelming for me. कि, really? But obviously I'm nothing compared to her. Like she's like the most beautiful woman on earth. But even if eyes का comparison में भी उनको कुछ दिख रहा, I'm very happy. I'm like, oh God, this is so beautiful.
Did you ever realize that you're going to blow up like this and become like this social media sensation?
You think so? Never. That doesn't happen to everybody. Maybe for the wrong reasons.
Yeah, for sure.
But I didn't expect that, especially after Baby John.
Yeah.
You know, I expected that, okay, they'll see my performance in Baby John and they'll see that, okay, she can do action also. But you know that not everybody has watched Jubilee. Not everybody has watched Charlie Chopra. Not everybody has watched Grehen or Mai or Khufia. So, ये भी नहीं है कि सबको लगेगा अच्छा ये भी कर सकते तो ये भी. But I just knew कि चलो वो कुछ दिल टॉक अबाउट परफॉर्मेंस इन बेबी जॉन जितना मुझे मिला वहां करने के लिए. But what got viral is Kapil Sharma show's clips. I remember, oh God, I have to tell you this. So, my first day on Bhoot Bangla's set, and I meet Paresh sir, I meet everybody. Then I meet Akshay sir. Paresh sir is standing there and he's like, Akshay, Vamika, and I'm meeting him also for the first time. Paresh sir also. Vamika, बहुत अच्छी performance इन्होंने, and I was so overwhelmed कि Paresh Rawal, who's like,
so good.
He is such a good actor.
Yeah.
The characters that the iconic characters that he's created. अगर मैं उतना मतलब ऐसे 20-30% भी उनकी आर्ट जितना कुछ कर पाऊँ ना, it'll be crazy. तो he's telling अक्षय सर कि इन्होंने जुबली की है, इन्होंने ये बहुत अच्छा काम किया वो. तो अक्षय सर कहते हैं हाँ रे नहीं मैंने वो नहीं देखा. हाँ but I saw your performance that I really like. I saw your performance in Kapil Sharma show. That was like, what? And we just laughed out loud because that is something that even people who have not seen the work, they have seen that.
Yeah.
So I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that at all. But
oh
yeah.
my God. But how is it like sharing a screen space with somebody like Akshay Kumar? मतलब उन्होंने slapstick comedy से लेके romantic से लेके action से लेके to a cause-driven film. He's sort of done it all, and just fair to say that you're also trying to tap into every genre. You're not just trying to stick to one. And then when you work with somebody like this so versatile, like did you pick one or two things from him as an observer?
You know, I've realized something. I did this narration with Anees Bazmi sir for something. Then obviously I met Priyadarshan sir, and then the way he was explaining, I understood that. मतलब ये मुझे पता तो था ही, but एकदम से मुझे realization हुई that all these performances now are very much inspired from the directors who are directing it. So I was really happy that I was working with a Priyadarshan sir and Akshay sir together. The films that I've loved of Akshay Kumar are mostly Priyadarshan's films. So it was so overwhelming that now I'm getting to work with this iconic duo that I've loved in my childhood. It's like I can still watch a Garam Masala. I can still watch a Malamal Weekly. I can still watch so many films.
True.
Malamal Weekly was also Priyadarshan sir, right?
Yeah, Halchal also.
Yeah, Halchal.
Yeah, all of them.
All these films. Halchal yaar. It was so funny. Bhool Bhulaiya.
Yeah.
I mean, that original Bhool Bhulaiya is something that just like, I think just amazed all of us.
Yeah.
What is this?
What's happening?
And I'm working with them. So I was very happy and I learned a lot like with Akshay sir's wittiness and on the spot जो उनके ऐसे शैतानी दिमाग में कुछ आता है कि मैं ऐसे ना वो खुद के साथ ही मजाक करते रहते हैं like on screen. तो वो जो एकदम से वो जो उनका ideas आते हैं, that's so like spontaneous. And I understood that you know, this is their magic that they create, not just on paper, but these actors who've been working since so long, they create it on the spot. And how to learn that?
Yeah.
It can only come from experience.
From experiences. Yeah. Are you somebody who also like improvises? Like, do you put your own elements when you get something, or you're like, you know, whatever's there, I'll try to follow.
You have to put your own element. That's your job. Otherwise, तो जो लिखा है वही पढ़ दो. I'm sure कुछ चीजें इतनी सही लिखी जाती होंगी और maybe वो genre ऐसा होता होगा that it's better to not improvise with the dialogues a lot. But your body language, your reactions, तब भी improvisations हो ही जाती हैं because you're the one who's studying that particular character the most for the longest time. So you'll anyway वो आना ही चाहिए. Like I feel that is your homework to do.
Yeah.
तो वो कर देती हूँ मैं. I think starting पहले मुझे नहीं आता था, but as जैसे मुझे अपने craft के बारे में और समझ आई, वो automatically just comes out of you. Your character speaks to you कि अब मुझे ऐसे करना है, अब मुझे ऐसे भूल चूक माफ में this is बोट का scene जहाँ पे राजकुमार राव रंजन का कैरेक्टर कुछ ऐसे बात कर रहा है कि रंजन तिवारी नाम है मेरा, हम ये कर देंगे और I'm like just like when you know the character, it just comes automatically.
And it looks like you all are actually fighting like a couple. You know, कि हम मजाक उड़ाते हैं अपने partners का ऐसे when they're fumbling, when they're trying to make a point and they fumble and you're just like, please,
That's like your moment. यहाँ पकड़ूंगी.
Yeah, यहाँ तेरा उतारती हूँ, रुक जा भाई, कर तू fumble और अब मैं तुझे बताती हूँ. So those were the moments when I laughed, and that's the reason I was like, Vamika loved it. Like मजा आया because that's a real girl.
I had so much fun doing it.
And we're all goofy, किधर ना किधर. Like no matter how put together and prim proper we are, there are sides of us which is very goofy and real, and that's the spontaneity that comes out.
And you know, your childish behavior or your most cringy behavior comes out in front of your partner.
Yeah.
You will never behave like that in front of other people.
Never.
But you will be this really cringe, just childish person in front of your partner. Now this film is
that.
Yeah. अभी मैं रंजन के साथ हूँ और वो बातें हो रही हैं, तो मैं ऐसे behave करूँगी ना.
Also loved the whole indecisiveness in the car. That's all the girls. Like, अब ये करना है, and then suddenly like, take me back. I'm getting up right now. What are you talking? Mood swings. We were all known for it, but men have it more. I'm just going to put it out there. वो दिखाते नहीं हैं.
Yes, they do.
हमारा नाम खराब है बस.
Yes, they do. They do have more mood swings. No, actually, we do have more mood swings.
But they are also gossip mongers, which they don't.
Yeah, they also have mood swings. It's like they also have their period days, but you just don't know. At least we have like a specific
cycle.
They don't have.
We don't know कब उनका mood off होने वाला है. So we're like, oh, that's your cycle. I'm going to follow that for 3 days now and behave like
God,
this.
We wish we could follow that.
Wish. That's another time. But let's also talk a little bit about work now. मुझे जानना है when like you're a young girl surviving, coming from a different place altogether and now making it big in a competitive industry like Bombay. You also said कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो competition है and बहुत सारे लोग हैं who also want to become a somebody. In this rat race, how are you keeping your peace and how are you sort of still maintaining to get roles for yourself, which are different? Tough one.
I think that when you start now, you don't realize it, but you are already part of that race. Because it's all about who's doing, like, are you doing better so that you get the part? It's all about getting out of that race. When you actually, I think, when you have those realizations, and I'm sure not everybody gets out of it. Some people enjoy it.
Yeah.
I don't. And I think it's been a constant struggle for me to get out of that race. And I think now I'm in that state of mind in my life personally that I don't want to be part of this race. And I felt that I can do my best even not being part of that race.
Right.
And anyway, ये कोई है ही नहीं race. It's all in our heads. And that is what creates more complications and that rivalry between actresses and actors, which is not required. Because, जैसे, you know, जैसे क्या, I'll tell you, जैसे generally world cinema में, we want India to do good.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
We want the Indian film industry to do good. But then उसके बीच में, then you have your state competitions where you are like blaming each other.
Yeah,
हम ज़्यादा आगे, हम ज़्यादा आगे. और उसके अंदर सब industries में they have these अपना कि this actor is doing that.
Yeah.
Same जब हम India की बात करते हैं, you know how states में कि ये language, वो language, ये problem. But when it comes to India, then we all become one. What is it that matters the most? Isn't like India matters the most.
Yeah, the oneness.
So basically, like the whole industry matters the most.
Correct.
So अगर हम एक दूसरे को support करेंगे, तो ही हम as an industry will grow, right?
Correct, yeah.
So that's what I understood of it. That I think पहले I used to be a little like insecurities, you know, within you that you feel that, oh God, that girl, she's doing better or he's doing better and why can't I? And then you realize everybody is working hard. Everybody wants to achieve something. And why can't we all achieve everything that we want to?
True, yeah.
अब सब कुछ मेरे हिस्से तो नहीं आएगा, सब कुछ किसी और के हिस्से नहीं आएगा. वही बात है जिसके जहाँ जितना लिखा है
वही मिलने वाला है. Is that why you're still continuing working in other different languages as well? And अभी जबकि I know there is a lot coming even in Hindi films for you, right? There's a Jaya Bachchan film, there's Siddhant Chaturvedi you're working with. It's crazy. Now I think people are also revisiting your short film with Ishan Khattar. Like that's crazy. Yeah, exactly. So I think there are so many things that you have in the pipeline, of course, from Hindi, but you're also continuing down south and other languages, right? That's the conscious decision? Because you consider it as all one.
So I'll tell you how it started. It started with me not really having any work, and then these offers came for like a Tamil film. So I was like, oh, why not? Let me
Yeah.
explore that. I didn't have that. पहले मुझे इतना अच्छे तरीके से नहीं पता था कि how South industry works. And this I'm talking about 9 years back.
Yeah.
I was really, really young. Like कॉलेज से निकल के मैं आ गई थी. कॉलेज लास्ट ईयर में मैं बॉम्बे आ गई थी. तो उस वक्त जब मैंने काम किया, अंडरस्टूड कि वाओ, this is such nice people to work with, and the kind of films that I did there was so much different than what I saw on TV as South Indian films ka remake, or what I saw people making fun of, you know. When I actually worked with them, I understood how passionate they are. And I was like, they are making great films and they're telling great stories. I want to work with them. So for me, it's been that journey where my understanding of South film industry has changed.
Yeah.
You know, with those first few films. For me, it was never like कि अरे आजकल South Indian films and films चल रही हैं, तो let me also start working in South films.
Yeah.
मेरी वो understanding बहुत change हुई starting में ही, like 8-9 years back. And that's why I've loved working in South films. And I still continue to.
Great. What can you talk about your work association with Jaya Bachchan? Have you already shot with her, or it's yet to be shot?
Yeah, I've already shot. I think there's just थोड़ा सा कुछ 3-4 दिन का patchwork है. But Jaya ma'am के साथ सब खत्म हो गया. What a beautiful experience I've had. This was my first time meeting her, like working with her.
Yeah.
She's such a fun person to work with. I mean, her smile. I remember the last day. I told her, like, we had a small like party, and उनको हम ऐसे गाड़ी में बिठा रहे थे, and that's when I told her. I said, your smile is like a child. Your laughter is like a child, and I love that. And how naughty you are. So she just laughed, and I said, I've loved working with you, and it was an amazing experience. And my parents were so happy. For them, this is when I've made it.
Yeah.
Working with Jaya Bachchan ji.
Yeah, absolutely.
I was so happy. Like for them, it was like a moment when I told them that I'm working with Jaya ma'am. So yeah, I'm really happy that my parents are happy, and it was such a beautiful experience. And the comic timing that she has, oof! I learned so much from her. I don't think I've ever seen her in a proper comedy. Maybe like Kal Ho Na Ho, she had a bit of comedy. Obviously, her previous films.
Yeah.
But like
much after, yeah.
Utni nahi hai.
Not
But
so
I
much.
think you're gonna love her in Darwaza.
How is it like with you? Like, do you prep yourself? Because I know you're a confident girl, and sometimes when we're like nervous, we fake it till we make it. But then when you're working with icons, right? Then how do you like sort of keep your footing like there?
I think इतना तो भी मैंने सीख लिया है. I've made my mistakes where I've been intimidated, and then it has showed on screen. And I've understood that it's not worth it. And also when you realize that, when do you get intimidated? When you एक तो feel less about yourself.
खुद के बारे में.
And you have your own insecurities and But now I see everybody as me.
Yeah, and I think you've started loving the camera, and the camera started loving you back. Like that romance has happened.
Camera always loved.
Yeah, that's true. हमें पता है.
Camera always loved me.
Yeah, you've become more comfortable.
I think I started kind of loving myself now.
Right.
And that's how I've just become like more confident about what I'm doing. And also, no, I don't think anybody can really intimidate me. If somebody intimidates me, I think I'll just lose respect for them.
Yeah.
For me, it's become that. Somebody makes me feel good.
Yeah.
For me, the respect for that person like just increases. That wow, like this is how you make people feel around you.
Yeah.
Like for me, like that person will be like, you know, I'm a fan.
Yeah.
Somebody making me feel bad or making me feel inferior, I don't feel bad anymore. I'm like, gaye. No respect.
Tata, bye-bye.
Yeah.
I want to finish off this interview by actually picking it off from the start of your work. Like, I'm going to start off Hindi films, right? When you speak and when you work, and you spoke of directors, and that's where I'm coming from. Someone so iconic, जिन्होंने 9 बार national awards जीता है, Vishal Bhardwaj sir. Huge fans of him and his work. That... And then you get to collaborate and work with the person. It was not once, but couple of times, right?
Yeah.
One or two things that as an actor and a director that you felt कि भाई ये मैंने सीखा है उनसे. Now when you work with iconic directors like a Priyadarshini, you just keep making notes and you're like, अब ये, to better your own skill set.
Yeah, I mean, I'm so happy that I got to work with Vishal sir not once, twice, like 4 times.
4 times.
Like when I think about Vishal sir and his films, I think of his muses, right? Like Tabuji and Priyanka Chopra. when I got to work with him, I never thought that he would want to repeat me. Like he would want to work with me again. Because generally, where we are working right now, they just want to change again. They don't even want to repeat you in your own franchise, you know. So directors like these who've been working since so long, like a Subhash Ghai or a Sanjay Leela Bhansali or Vishal sir, these are the people who work with their actresses, right? Like they work with their team again and again. That's the connection that you build here.
And also the role is very different from the previous ones.
So they trust you. It's not just like ki same tarah ka character phir se aayega. They trust you. And it was very overwhelming for me. I remember when he told me, I was sure. I'm like, are you sure? खुद में confidence नहीं था. And I was like, are you sure? मैं ही पूछ रही हूँ. Are you sure, sir? He was like, Bhavika. I said, नहीं, I'm just
cross checking.
So for me, it was overwhelming and like not believable. But I'm so glad I did like 4 projects with him, and I hope that I get to work, which I'm sure I will get to work with him again on something bigger and better, and we'll create. I'll be able to create magic, you know, under his direction. So yeah, it is very overwhelming. You know, Vishal Bhardwaj like validating you.
It is. And ऐसे नहीं 1-2 बार, 4 times, Baba. If he has 9 national awards, you have 4 of his projects. You can be like, I'm coming. No, of course. I think a great support system and somebody who can get you to do great stuff and brings that out, that's a great achievement.
And bring that change in your perspective also about art. And about the choices that you should be making. And it's not like वो मुझे बिठा के lecture देते हैं.
Of course.
It's just when you spend time with the directors, like sensible directors like Vishal sir or Vikramaditya Motwani or Ranjan Chandel or just these directors, you just feel like वो असर होता है. You know how they say that your circle, your company matters the most. They shape your life. They shape your thinking.
True.
So when you spend like 2 months with somebody and like continuously like working creatively with somebody, that really like does something to you. So I'm very lucky to have worked with Vishal sir for like multiple projects, or Ranjan Chandel for Grahan, Vikram sir for Jubilee. It just Atul Mongia sir in Mai. It really shapes you, and I'm so happy. Now these are not the things that I could have planned for myself. ये तो Godfather ने plan किया है, which I'm so glad.
The OG Godfather.
Godfather. And I'm so glad that it happened the way it happened.
On that note, I just want to say thank you so much, because I feel like there's just so much coming out now, and we're excited to watch your projects and see you in different arcs and graphs. I'm so super excited, because there are very few people who sort of bring in the looks element and at the same time the performer in them. क्योंकि कभी-कभी होता है आपका जो performer होता है वो looks overshadow कर जाता है, या vice versa. We're getting to see that both. So good job. Kudos, girl, for doing that. Thank you so much for your time. Lovely seeing you, and I hope we catch up again.
Yes, we will.
Thank you.